Learn how to make a mini vanity station out of an old briefcase. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'll show you how. For this project, you'll need a briefcase, mirror vanity tray, fabric quarters, and paint. I salvaged this briefcase for $1 and found this tray for under $5 at a thrift store. I spent 97 cents a piece for 2 fabric quarters. To get started, I removed the interior lining of the briefcase and added paint. Once dry, I measured 2 pieces of cardboard, then covered each with a fabric quarter. Using my hot glue gun, I secured the fabric to the cardboard, then the cardboard to the briefcase interior. Next, I attached the vanity tray with glue. Using a drill, I secured the briefcase to the wall and completed the look. A simple and crafty solution, saving space and money on a budget. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.